Use chicken thighs or breast, but for the best tender juicy results, I highly recommend trim thighs, no marinating needed. You'll love how the taste of garlic, sweet tart honey, lime glaze, and a touch of red pepper flakes come together perfectly. This is the kind of dish that makes you want to lick the pan, juicy, zesty, and coated in a sticky lime glaze, all in one skillet and no sugar overload. Pair this chicken with quinoa, regular rice or brown rice like I did, or cauliflower rice for a satisfying base. The recipe makes 3 to 4 servings, about 310 calories if you serve 4 or a bit over 400 if you serve 3. A tip, want to bulk it up and make it even healthier? Sauté some fresh veggies with a bit of seasoning, keep them crisp, and toss them in with the chicken. Stick around for a quick demo on both versions and tell me which one you'll choose to make. This whole complete meal cost me just a few pennies shy of $20. Not bad for a gourmet dish ready in under 30 minutes with different choices. So give this easy flavor packed dish a try. If you enjoyed this video and love clean bowl flavors without the fuss, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out my other videos. There is something tasty waiting for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Can't wait to see you in the next video as we explore more one-pan dinner possibilities. Until then, stay healthy and take care.